Good morning, students. Today's topic Kho. Information. Kho is an Indian sport played by teams of 12 players who try to avoid being touched by members of the opposing team. Only 9 players of the team enter the field. Kho and Lun Bose, in spite of popular misconception, are not the same. In Kho, one team sits or kneels in the middle of the court in a row with alternate members in the row facing opposite direction. The other team may send 2 or 3 members in the court. The motive for the sitting team is to try to tag the opponents. The chasers can only run in one direction and cannot cut across the sitters, unlike the dodgers who can run randomly and in between the sitters. They have to run around the entire rows to reach the other side. Other option is to pass the chasing job to another sitters whose back is facing you as you are running. The chaser touches the sitters he wants, usually nearest to the target, and shouts "Go" to signify the changes of the guard. The objective is to take all the opponents in the shortest time possible. If the other team takes longer, the former team wins. Equipments. The equipment used in Kho are post, sitting, measuring tape, lime powder, wire nails, 2 watches, 2 types of rings having inner circumference of 30 cm and 40 cm, and some stationery to write result, etc. Kho players who have won the Arjuna Award: Sri Shekhar Darwadkar, Sri Srirang Inamdar, Usha Naharkar, Neelima Sarolkar, Achala Devara. Domestic seasons and tournaments of Kho: National Championships, Junior National Championships, Sub-Junior National Championship, School Championship, Mini School Championships, Primary Mini School Championship, National Women's Championship, All India Inter-University Championship, and Federation Cup. Kho, it is played by teams of 12 players, of which 9 enter the field who try to avoid being touched by member of the opposing team. Court dimensions of Kho. A Kho playground is rectangular. It is 30 meters in length and 19 meters width. There are 2 rectangles at the end. Length of the rectangle is 60 meters and the width is 2.7 meters. In the middle of these 2 rectangles, there are 2 wooden poles. The central line is 23.50 meters long and 30 centimeters wide. At the end of the center line, the free zone tangent to the post line, 2 smooth wooden posts are fixed 120 cm height from the ground and their circumference is not less than 30 centimeters and not more than 40 centimeter. Rules and regulations of Coco. Now the length and breadth of Coco court is 29 meter into 16 meter. Pole to pole distance is 23.50 meter. Each team plays of 9 minutes instead of 7 into 1.5 minutes. A runner shall not touch any sitting chaser. If he does so, he will be given a caution, but if he does it again, he will be declared out. If 3 runners are made out consecutively by an active chaser, he cannot touch the 4th runner. He will have to go to any sitting chaser. A team consists of 12 players, out of which 9 players team and the remaining 3 players act as a substitutes or extra players. A toss of coin should decide the right to choose chasing or defending. The captain may end their turn before allowed time. When the turn starts, a chaser should not leave the square without getting a coup. The team which scored more wins a match. Once all the runners are out before time, they send their runners again in the same order. A coup by a chaser should be given from behind a sitting chaser loudly. So, after giving go, an active chaser should sit immediately on the vacated square. A defender is declared out if he is touched by hand by an active chaser without breaking any rule. Sitting chaser are not allowed to create any obstructions in the way of runners. If any runners is touched by an active chaser due to such obstructions, the runner will not be considered out.
Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.